Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong error on Google Gemini. So let's start with the first one, which is to identify the error. So when using Google Gemini, you may encounter a something went wrong error dialog that prevents you from getting responses. So this typically appears as a pop-up with a retry button over the chat interface. Next is you have to clear the browser cache and cookies. So you have to go to the browser settings and clear the browsing data. So you have to select cookies and site data. So cached images at files. So they set the time range to all time and then click clear data. So this will remove the corrupted session data causing the error. Next is you can also switch to Gemini model. So if the error persists, then you can try to switch to a different Gemini model. So you can click on the model selector dropdown and choose a different option like Gemini 2.0, Flash, or Gemini 1.5 Pro. So some models may have temporary capacity issues. That's why it gets the error. Next is you can also try to check the network in VPN. So you just have to open your browser's developers tool. So that is F12 and click on the network tab for failed requests to gemini.google.com. And if you're using a VPN, you can try disabling it because some VPN servers are blocked by the Google services. Lastly is verify the fix. So after applying these fixes, reload the Google Gemini and start a new conversation. So your message should now go through without something went wrong error. So if it still persists, you can try a different browser or you can also wait for a few hours. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!